Hey guys, this is Steven Smith with Marinemax in Houston here again with a 2018 Sea Ray 21 SPX outboard this time. Standing at the bow of the boat, wanted to do a quick walkthrough with you guys. There's some storage underneath of both of these seats here, perfect for storing some safety gear or things like that. There's a removable front cushion so you could make it easy for people to get in and off the boat or use it as a seat. As we make our way back, they've done a really good job of utilizing this port side storage area. This, you can see where all the snap out carpet is. We've got it removed right now, but it does come with the vinyl woven flooring. Great place to store some life jackets or safety equipment, stuff like that. There is a glove box above the dash here, perfect for wallets, keys, cell phone, etc. And then if we move over to the helm, you'll notice we've got tilt steering, we've got stainless steel bezel on all the gauges up here, Rockford Fosgate radio head unit with Bluetooth, auxiliary, USB, and of course you've got digital throttle and shift on that Mercury. We've put the biggest motor they'll let you put on this boat, which is a 200 horsepower Pro inline 6 from Mercury. Both of the captain's chairs have the drop down bolster, so you can raise yourself up to see over the windshield when you're pulling a wakeboarder from the water sports tower that we've also optioned on this boat. It's got the Wake Edition package where you've got the wakeboard racks, the tower. It does have a ski tow pylon as well. Moving back of the boat, we've got a big ski locker in the center that's perfect for wakeboard storage or skis, etc. Sea Ray includes an igloo cooler that goes in this space here. They've also got another place that doubles as a cooler right here that drains into the bilge that you could use for more storage. And there's storage under every seat. There's some in the corner here, there's some under this seat in the back. There's also some under this section here and your battery compartment there. One of the nice things about the outboard is you don't have an engine here in this massive compartment, which is a huge storage compartment, great for tubes, extra wakeboards, anything you could use. Really just opens up the space in the boat that you don't get out of a stern drive. And of course, rear facing backrest that folds up here so you can hang out and enjoy the time with the family. You can see our power head back there, the 200 horsepower Mercury. Really just a great all around everything boat. Plenty of water sports capabilities, the reliability to get out of an outboard. This is a 2018 Sea Ray 21 SPX outboard. Come see us at Marinemax Houston today.